Hello friend, how are you? I hope you are fine. Sometimes we working in Excel, we have to make bill invoice or salary slip. If you not knowing how to create, then it is a very tough to create it. Don't worry, if you want to learn how to create bill in invoice or salary sheet, I already make a video on it. Please click on I button and watch this video. In this video, I will explain how to create fully automatic and advanced salary slip in Excel. Let's begin this topic. Before creating a salary slip, please look at a demo of salary slip. It is a mind-blowing. Friend, here I have mentioned the company name, company address. Here I have mentioned the pay slip for the which month I want to pay to employee. For example, I have made pay slip for December month. Here I have made the fully automatic salary slip for you. In case that I select the list from drop down, for example 1001, here name will change, designation, all the details are changing. For example, I from drop down list I will select 1104. Now see Anand Kumar, designation, and all these details are get changed. Normally open your Excel, come to B9 cell and type here employee name, and here designation, and here type location, and here type bank detail, and here type date of joining, and come to E9 and type here income tax number, means PF PAN number, and now type PF account number, and here ESI number. Now click to column B, right click, go to column B, and here type 18 and press OK. Click on column C, column B, and here type 17.29. Go on column D, select the column D, and column B is 23.75. And now column E, here 15.71. Now please select C and D and type your company name or office name for which I am creating the salary slip for ABC company. And again select the C and D cell and type your company address. Please select C and D for C and D and type here payslip. Payslip for which month you want to create. I'm creating payslip for December, so I'm writing the payslip for December month. And here I will select and type employee name. Simply I will select all and press Ctrl B from your keyboard to bold. Now I am increasing my company name font till 14. Select the payslip and go Ctrl U from your keyboard for underline. Now select B4, B6 and B8, right click and row height and click 5.25 and press enter. Now here we have to type attendance detail, and here type value and click and align in center, and now here type time and here present. Now B19 cell and create earning head, and here amount, and same D19 create the type deduction and then amount. Select and click on bold and center line, and earning section we have to type basic salary and convenience, and here HRA DA overtime pay. Now come to deduction section, and here we'll type EPF at 12%, and now ESI at 0.75%. Here you have to type total earning, and here total deduction, and here net amount, it means net salary. Select and press Ctrl B from your keyboard. Now click B9 to E9 cell, go to all, click on all border, go to line color, and here from line color, and after that you go to border, and here click on top border. Again select B13 to E13 cell and go to all border and select bottom border, and here select and click outside border, and here again click and outside border, and again click it and go to click all border. Here select earning and deduction section and total earning and deductions, and go to border and click all border. Now click on earning, and here select it and go to border and outside border. Now it's time to create an automatic payslip. Here click on select B9 cell, go to data tab, and here data validation, and from allow select list, and so from click on source, go to sheet number 1 and select ID number and click OK. See friend, here drop down list for made for employee number. I will select simply 1. According to the employee number, I will fill employee name, designation, location, bank detail, overtime, attendance, basic salary, conveyance, HRA, DA, overtime, and deduction also. For same, I will click here, I will type equal to Vlookup. I have to insert the formula for automatic is Vlookup. And now it's asking the what is our Vlookup value. My Vlookup value is my employee number. Then again select it and click comma, go to my table array is sheet number 1. I will select the table array from here. Then comma, again column index number for employee name. My column index number for employee name is 2. I will simply type 2 comma 0 for exact match and close the bracket and hit enter. And here for designation, I will insert the Vlookup formula equal to Vlookup open bracket. My lookup value is my ID number comma my table array is sheet number 1. I will select my all table comma, and here column index number for designation is 4, and simply I will type 4 comma 0 for 2 match and close the bracket and hit enter. And now same for location equal to Vlookup open bracket. My lookup value is ID number comma my table array is sheet number 1, and simply select my all table array comma, and here my index number for location is 21. Simply I will type 21 comma 0 for 2 match and close bracket and hit enter. For same for bank detail equal to Vlookup open bracket. My lookup value is my ID number comma table array. I will select my table array comma, and for the column index number for bank detail is 17, and simply I will type 17 comma 0 for 2 match and close the bracket, hit enter. Again for date of joining equal to Vlookup open bracket. My lookup value is employee number comma my table array is sheet number 1. I will select my table array comma column index number for date of joining is 3 comma 0 for 2 match and close the bracket and hit enter. Here Again for permanent account number means PAN number equal to VLOOKUP open bracket my lookup value is ID number comma I will select my table array comma my column index number for PAN detail is 18. I will simply type 18 comma 0 for true match and close the bracket and hit enter. Again for PF number equal to VLOOKUP open bracket my lookup value is ID number of employee comma I will select my table array comma and here my column index number is 19 comma 0 and close the bracket and hit enter. Same for ESI equal to VLOOKUP open bracket my lookup value is my ID number comma my table array is sheet number 1. I will select my all table from here comma and here column index number is 20. Simply I type 20 comma 0 for true match and close the bracket and hit enter. Now I have to calculate the overtime. Simply I will type here VLOOKUP open bracket my lookup value is my ID number comma my table array is sheet number 1. I will select my table array and here column index number for overtime in hours is 11. Then simply type 11 comma 0 for true match and close the bracket and hit enter. And here attendance is equal to VLOOKUP open bracket select the employee number for lookup value is employee number comma table array select the table array sheet number 1 comma here attendance is column number 6. Simply I will type 6 comma 0 for true match and close the bracket and hit enter. Now we will move to the earning session of employee. Simply is equal to VLOOKUP open bracket my lookup value is ID number comma table array is the sheet number 1 comma here my column index number for basic salary is 7 comma 0 close the bracket and hit enter. For same for convenience VLOOKUP open bracket my lookup value is ID number comma select the table array comma for column index number is for convenience is 10 comma for exact match 0 and close the bracket and hit enter. Same for HRA VLOOKUP open bracket lookup value is my ID number comma my table array on sheet number 1 comma here for HRA column index number 8 comma for 0 for true match and close the bracket and hit enter. Again for DA VLOOKUP open bracket lookup value is ID number table array in sheet number 1 comma column index number for DA is 9 comma 0 for true match and close the bracket hit enter. For again for overtime pay is equal to VLOOKUP open bracket lookup value is my ID number table array in sheet number 1 comma here overtime salary in column index number 12 comma 0 for true match and close the bracket hit enter. Now move on to deduction section. Here is equal to VLOOKUP open bracket lookup values ID number of employee comma table array sheet number 1 select comma column index number for 14 comma 0 close bracket and hit enter. Again for ESI is equal to VLOOKUP open bracket lookup value is my ID number comma and now comma and table array sheet number 1 select the whole all table comma here the column index number for ESI is 15 comma 0 for true match close the bracket hit enter. Now we have to calculate the total earning. Simply I will type is equal to sum formula select my total earning close bracket and hit enter. Again for deduction to calculate the deduction is equal to sum open bracket select close the bracket here select and remove the decimal from here. Now calculate the total net amount is equal to total earning minus total deduction is balance to pay. See friend here is 35343 is net amount. Again come here I type amount inwards control B and here is equal to spell open bracket select close bracket, hit enter and come down here, type signature of employee and here signature of accountant. Select and click Ctrl B for bold. Now friend, select number from drop down list and click. See friend, here automatic for Anand Kumar all the salary slate is getting update. If I will select again 003, then see Ravi Kumar all the details get updated. Simply for printing, click Ctrl plus P, then our preview will get ready. Thank you friend for watching. Hope you understand how to create fully automatic salary slip in Excel.